Welcome back to Park and Post. Today, I am going to talk about an essential aspect of international travel, the 15 items you need when going through immigration at the airport. Traveling internationally can be an exciting experience, but it also involves passing through immigration checkpoints. As travelers, we must be aware of the importance of presenting accurate and consistent information to immigration officers. Immigration officers are responsible for ensuring the safety and security of their country, and part of their job is to conduct thorough inspections. Presenting conflicting documents during immigration interviews can have legal ramifications. Some countries consider providing false or misleading information to immigration as a serious offense, leading to fines, deportation, or even being blacklisted from entering the country in the future. It's crucial to respect the laws and regulations of the country you are visiting and adhere to the principles of honesty and transparency during immigration checks. Navigating immigration can sometimes be a bit nerve-wracking, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be fully prepared to breeze through immigration like a pro. So let's dive in. Number 1. First and foremost, your passport is your ultimate travel companion. Your passport is the most crucial travel document and serves as your primary identification during international travel. It contains essential information such as your name, nationality, date of birth, and a unique passport number. Immigration officers will thoroughly examine your passport to verify its authenticity and ensure it has sufficient validity for your intended stay in the country. Always keep your passport secure and in good condition, as any damage or missing pages might lead to entry denial. It's essential to renew your passport well before its expiration date, as some countries require passports to have at least 6 months of validity beyond the date of entry. Number 2. If you need a visa for your destination, have it ready for inspection. A visa is a document that grants you permission to enter and stay in a specific country for a particular purpose and duration. Different countries have varying visa requirements, and some travelers may be eligible for visa-free entry based on their nationality or travel itinerary. Immigration officers will examine your visa to confirm that it matches your intended purpose of visit and that it has not expired. Always ensure you apply for the correct type of visa and follow the specific guidelines provided by the embassy or consulate of the destination country. Number 3. Immigration forms. Some countries require incoming travelers to complete immigration forms or arrival and departure cards upon landing. These forms typically request information about your travel plans, contact details, and the purpose of your visit. It's essential to fill out these forms accurately and legibly, as they serve as a record of your entry into the country. Some countries may issue a portion of the form as a departure card, which you need to keep safe until you leave the country. Number 4. Having a confirmed return or onward ticket is a must for immigration. It shows you have plans to leave the country within the allowed time frame. Immigration officers may ask for proof of onward or return travel to ensure that you do not overstay your permitted duration of stay. Providing a confirmed flight reservation or a printed copy of your return ticket can demonstrate your intention to leave the country within the allowed time frame. If you have a flexible travel itinerary and haven't booked your onward flight, consider showing proof of your travel plans, such as bus or train tickets. Number 5. Customs declaration form. If you're carrying valuable items or goods, a customs declaration form might be necessary. Stay honest and declare anything you need to. It's better to be safe than sorry. Many countries require travelers to fill out customs declaration forms, especially if they are bringing in goods, valuables, or large sums of money. The customs declaration form helps authorities identify items that may be subject to duties, taxes, or import restrictions. It is crucial to be honest and accurate in declaring items to avoid penalties or confiscation of prohibited goods. Familiarize yourself with the destination country's customs regulations and any specific limitations on the amount of cash you can carry. Number 6. Travel itinerary. Print or save a digital copy of your travel itinerary, including flights and accommodation details. It helps immigration officers understand your travel plans better. Carrying a printed or digital copy of your travel itinerary can be helpful during immigration checks, as it provides a clear overview of your travel plans. The itinerary should include details such as your arrival and departure dates, flight numbers, accommodation information, and any planned activities or tours. Having this information readily available can speed up the immigration process, as it demonstrates that you have a well-organized travel plan. Number 7. If you've got a hotel reservation, show it. It proves your intended place of stay during your visit. Providing a confirmed hotel reservation or an invitation letter if you are staying with a host can help establish your intended place of stay during your visit. Immigration officers may ask for this information to ensure you have a place to reside during your stay. It is advisable to have your accommodation arrangements confirmed and documented before you arrive at the airport. Before we move on, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified of our latest travel tips and share this information with your friends and family. But let's get back to the topic. 15 items you need when going through immigration at the airport. Number 8. Demonstrate that you can support yourself during your stay by having proof of sufficient funds, like bank statements or a letter from your employer. Immigration officers may request proof that you have sufficient financial means to support yourself during your stay. This is to ensure that you can cover your expenses, such as accommodation, food, transportation, and any activities you plan to undertake. Bank statements, credit card statements, or a letter from your employer stating your income can serve as evidence of your financial capacity. Providing this information helps demonstrate that you are a genuine visitor with the means to sustain yourself while in the country. Number 9. For business travelers, an employment letter detailing the purpose and duration of your trip is a smart thing to bring. If you are traveling for business purposes, especially if you intend to engage in work-related activities, having an employment letter can be beneficial during immigration checks. The letter should outline the purpose of your visit, the duration of your stay, and your employer's contact information. This documentation helps clarify that you are not entering the country for unauthorized employment and that your visit is for legitimate business reasons. Number 10. If you are visiting family or friends in the destination country, an invitation letter from your host can support your application for entry. The letter should include your host's contact information, details of your relationship, and the duration and purpose of your visit. Having this letter shows that you have a genuine invitation and a clear reason for visiting, increasing your chances of a smooth entry process. Number 11. Are you currently pursuing your education in a foreign country? Make sure you carry a letter from your educational institution confirming your enrollment and course details. This letter should state the course you are pursuing, the duration of your studies, and any other relevant details. Immigration officers will use this information to ensure you are entering the country for legitimate educational purposes and have the necessary student visa, if applicable. Number 12. Vaccination certificate. Some countries have specific vaccination requirements to protect public health. You may need to show a vaccination certificate for diseases like yellow fever or other contagious illnesses. Check the destination country's health requirements before your trip and carry the necessary documentation to prove your vaccinations. Number 13. Health insurance. Travel health insurance is vital. Keep a copy of your policy to cover medical expenses during your trip. Some countries require incoming travelers to have valid travel health insurance. Having proof of insurance coverage can help cover medical expenses in case of illness or accidents during your stay. Check the health insurance requirements of your destination country and carry a printed copy of your policy or a digital version on your phone. Number 14. Biometric data. Be prepared for biometric data collection. Many countries now collect biometric data such as fingerprints and facial scans as part of their immigration process. Be prepared to provide biometric information when requested by immigration officers. This data helps ensure the accuracy of your identification and enhances border security. As we wrap up this enthralling exploration of 15 items you need when going through immigration at the airport, Keep in mind that by reserving your tickets online now, you can snag an exclusive savings on your upcoming flight. Make the most of our exceptional discount by clicking the link below this video. Number 15. Finally, if you are entering any country for specific purposes, such as for work, study, or as a diplomat, you may need additional clearance documents or permits. These documents provide evidence that you meet the specific requirements for entry based on your intended activities. And there you have it, 15 items needed by immigration at the airport. Armed with this knowledge, you'll confidently breeze through immigration and start your journey on the right foot. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and exciting adventures. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.